Greeting guys and welcome back to Loudly Car Drivers. Today I'm going to try, to renovate a car. So I was on an auction house and I was looking for a car and I want to buy a cheap one. So I've got a cheap one. And the car I have bought is this Peugeot 106 from 1995. It's a white one and it has a lot of problems. So, as you can see, the color is going off, the paint is going off, the window has been broken. You see it here somewhere, yes, here. The glass is broken. The brakes don't work. I cannot open the car inside. Inside the car, the seats are dirty. You see, it's dirty seats. The door will not open, and like I said, the brakes are not working. We've got a flat tire, and underneath the hood we are going to open this. Where the bloody hell is it? I don't know. I think it's open. Yes, no, yes, it's open. You see, that's broken. That's the engine. The good thing of this car is it starts. So, yeah, that will be my project for you guys. And then I'm going to try to sell it with a little bit of profit. And maybe we are going to buy another one until I got my NSX. Because I want to have an NSX. So you guys, you see my little Peugeot 106. What do you think? Put it in the comments. You love it, you hate it. It's the Cookie. It's actually, you see, I think they made it only in Belgium. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put a new front window in it. I will paint it myself here in this garage. I have bought myself a seat cleaner, so that I'm going to use in a couple of hours, I think, because the first thing I'm going to do is putting the seats out and I'm going to clean the interior inside. That's my first job, and then I think next week I will do my seats themselves to clean. And yeah, then the next one will be the window, the front window, and the brakes, the engine, and painting. And then it's done. Then we are going to do it for sale. So yeah, what do you think, guys? Love it, hate it? It's I can work on my Honda, but that's an easy project on my Honda. Just putting it in. This is to try to to make a nice car again. So you guys, I'm going to use this, but first I'm going to need to unbox this because it is the first time. As you can see, it didn't open yet. Just open the above and you will see it with me what's all inside, that I don't know what it is. This, I think it's for water spraying and cleaning the seat because oh yeah, it's sucking it up. Is a to suck the dirt off the seats. I think that is something. This is something. A lot of stuff. This is for to clean within the spaces where you cannot clean it. I think it's small. No, it's small. This is to hang some things up, I think. That's a bigger dirt cleaner for all the water that you can suck it up with this one. And don't know what this is. And we got something else, and that it's this one. Don't know yet what it is. Actually, I don't know nothing. Got some products to put it in. Another one, spot and stain. And now the big one is this. Oh my god, I need help. Okay, that's empty. Manuel. Bye bye box. So that's the big one, and here you can see how it put it in. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm going to put it all together. So in 1 second. 1 second later, and you can see it's done. I put the water in it with this. Why? Because it told me so on the paper. So I put it in. On the back you can see, oh, do not fall. All this was for the cable. This is for the cable to put it on. This little thingy is put this on, or the other stuff. And we have that on the other angle. Here is the button. The button is here. Here is the button. Well, find the button. Find the button. Here is a button to put it on. And I think that we can begin with this. So now I'm going to put the seats out and I'm going to clean the inside of this car. So everything is out of the car now. The seats are away. As you can see, it's all gone. And all that's left is dirt, dirt, dirt. And these are the seats. You see, they are a little bit dirty, and I'm hoping I can clean these seats up. I think somebody has done a pee-pee on the seats. But okay, we are going to try this. It's a hobby. So next thing I'm going to do is with my vacuum cleaner cleaning all this sand and dust and everything up, and then I'm going to clean this with my new toy. So everything is done here with the clean up with my vacuum cleaner. Next I'm going to clean this here with some brake cleaner, and then it's up to the next thing. So that's done. I did it with brake cleaner because all that fat stuff comes better off with brake cleaner. Now the next thing I'm going to use is my new toy, and it will be with this. So let's try this. Now I have to say, this here is getting empty very quick, but I put this all of here, and now I think we're gonna suck this dirt off. Okay, let's try. Now the driver's side is done, and actually I like it. It's clean. It's very clean. This is a little bit wet still, but let's go away. And you can see the dirt inside here. This is what came off. Now we're gonna do this for 5 more minutes, and then it will be on the passenger side. I like it. I like that thing. You wanna know what it is? We'll put a link below, and then you can buy it for yourself if you wanna clean your car or do something like this. But it's nice. I was getting some water and the mailman came. He brought me my Hyundai. Now I can paint the car. Yeah, new toy. Yeah, we love it. So that's done. It's all very nice. Yes, I like it. It's nice. Now you want to see all the dirt that came out? Well, follow me. This is the dirt. It's clean water, dirty water. Yes, and I'm sweating like I don't know. So you guys, that was the first cleanup. Next week we are doing the seats. I'm gonna have more work on the seats, I think, than on the interior. First thing, this here I like, but the only thing, it makes a lot of noise. That's all. But okay, he's doing his job. That's for me okay. Now, next week, seats cleaning. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to push this button or that button to subscribe, and follow me, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.